Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle, guys. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now. Now, you probably saw that title and clicked super fast, and we're like, oh my god, he's getting a Jeep SRT. He's back in the Grand Cherokee. He's back to creating some good old-fashioned Jeep content here on the channel. Well, that may be true or it may not be true. We're going to see what's going to happen, but I wanted to talk to you guys about it and just kind of put my mindset out there for you guys to understand, because things might be happening here on the channel and I don't want to just jump out and surprise you. I want to give you a little bit of an idea of what I'm thinking and kind of where I'm at right now, because obviously I bought this 2021 Dodge Charger Scat Pack maybe 2 or 3 months ago, something like that, and I've had a little bit of fun with it. I mean, I wrapped it and did a little bit of things. I mean, a straight pipe, did a few things like that. Obviously I haven't done too much. I think I'm up to like 11,400 or 500 miles or so I'm kind of getting up there in the mileage. What I do want to say in this video today is yeah, I think we may be trading in the Scat Pack already after 2 or 3 months. Now, there's a couple of good reasons as to why I'm thinking about doing that, and number one, as far as good reasons go, is just the fact that trade-in values for some reason are super high. So I went on Carvana, you know, just messing around, and they said 39,000. I think I owe probably like 43, 44, because I paid like 45 when I bought it a few months ago. But Vroom and another one that I'm not gonna say, you know, just in case a dealership or something is watching when I'm looking and shopping around to buy a new one, I will say there's another one that offered me around 49 plus. Which is pretty crazy because, like I said, I'm gonna profit like 4 or 5 grand on that, which is pretty cool if I want to do that. And that's to sell it or trade in. So if I do decide to do that, then I'll profit a little bit, which I could put just towards whatever vehicle. Now, that's where the Jeep SRT comes in, because the reason I didn't get the Jeep SRT is because it's roughly like $10,000 more. You're looking at like a $55 to $65 to $75,000 bill, depending on which year you get and how many miles. Now, I've been finding some with like 38,000 miles, so under that 40K mark, which is okay, but just outside that factory 36,000 mile warranty. The thing is with that, I'm just, you know, I'm a little iffy, you know, that's why I went with this, because I get that nice mileage, because I get a nice factory warranty up to 36,000 miles, and it only had 7,500 when I bought it, so it's going to take me a while to hit that. Now, buying one of these Jeep SRTs, which I really want, and you know, I wanted before, I think the biggest factor with me right now is we're going into the winter. Just put winter tires on it. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. If it's already up, it should already be up. But the biggest factor with me is just the fact that it's a car. So going into the winter, it's gonna suck. I mean, I knew that going in, so I'm not like mad about it or, you know, kind of weirded out or anything, like, you know what I mean, trying to move away from it. Like, I knew what I was signing up for when I bought the car. It's just kind of more the fact that I'm not going to enjoy it as much in the winter, because I'm not going to be able to enjoy it as much as I do now. So overall, I mean, I'm looking at a basic Dodge Charger in here. Like, it all looks the same. It's very, very similar to the Jeep. So, like, you know, I didn't really jump from like one thing to something else that's super crazy and exciting. Obviously I upgraded the engine, which was the one thing that I wanted, and it's fun, it's loud, you know, everything, but it definitely kind of went like this really quick and then like wore off, where the Jeep was kind of like a steady, like it went up and then it kind of slowly went down, where this it's kind of like that. Nice thing with the SRT Jeep, be able to drive it in the snow, be able to drive it in the winter, you know, pretty much whenever, because I have the all-wheel drive and it's a bigger vehicle. I think the biggest thing is that it's a bigger vehicle. Now, this thing is like a boat, you know, it's fine, it is what it is, like, it's a Dodge Charger, but it's not high, right? So you're sitting super low. I went from a Silverado with a leveling kit and some big beefy mud tires on it to the Jeep, which you guys saw here on the channel, which then had 22s and lowering springs, but still was much, much bigger and had much more road presence than this. And then now we're in this Charger, which is like scraping the ground. I have to worry about every single bump, every single speed bump, every pothole, you name it, I have to worry about it, and it's only gonna get worse going into the winter and with the snow. So I think I want something with some more road presence. I really think that that's kind of the person that I am. I think I would like to have a car as like a second vehicle and have two. So I have a few different options. Obviously the Jeep SRT would be my main one. I've been checking some out and I've been really into them again. You know, just, I love the Jeep and I know everything about the Jeep, and you know, I could continue to create content, and I think a lot of you guys would come back for that kind of content. So if you would, let me know down in the comment section down below if you guys would come back and watch every video religiously if I spend the extra money and got a Jeep SRT, because it's going to be expensive if I want to do that, and not sure if it's what I want to do right now. My second option of something that I really like and I would really enjoy, but the content would probably suck on because I don't know how many people are watching for this, and that would be a Ford Raptor. Obviously the Ram TRX would be my go-to number one, but you're paying 100 grand plus, where this you can get it for a used one like 2018, 2019 for around 55, 60. So overall, that's not too bad for one, a truck, and two, a Raptor that it is. So I think that definitely may be an option, is the Raptor. You know, if I can find one around to go test drive and check out, I'll probably make a video doing that. But Ford Raptors are cool. You know, it's still going to be that nice truck, but it's also got the sportiness of having, I don't know if it's a supercharged or a twin turbo V6, but all I know is it makes like 450 horsepower or something like that, 400. Makes a decent amount of horsepower, and it's pretty quick for a truck, and it's got all kinds of sporty stuff done to it. I don't know everything about it. I'm going to be honest with you. I am super new to the Ford Raptor world, but I'm definitely interested to see and look into if there's an audience even for that, because obviously I want an audience for it if I'm going to be creating content for it, because that's pretty much what I'm going to do here on the channel forever, is just cars. So my next option, going with the Ford Raptor truck kind of thing, is something like a Silverado 1500, you know, lifted with some like 35s on it, something like that, you know, just daily driver, big beefy man truck, even though I don't really do it for truck things. But once I buy a house, I'm gonna need a truck anyway, so that's kind of where my thoughts are at. And I'm planning to buy a house this year, hopefully with a garage and some space to record some videos. But that's kind of what I'm thinking right now, is something like in that range. I guess there's also something completely different where I could do a Jeep Wrangler or something with big tires, lift, whatever. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna do some research and see what's kind of popping off on the YouTube world. And that will help influence my decision, not completely, because my main decision is going to be based on me and what I want, obviously, and what's going to be making me the happiest. Like buying this was something completely for me. It made me happy at the time, and like I said, it kind of just died off really quickly, and it kind of, you know, got over that hype. And I still enjoy it. You know, it's fun to drive. I enjoy it. Puts a smile on my face every time I drive it. But I just don't have that overall excitement and passion that I had. So I think I need something bigger. I need something different, but it sucks that all the things that I want are in like the 60, 70, 80 plus $1,000 range. So if there's an option of something that you guys think would be good in like the SUV truck world, that's kind of quick and like sporty maybe, and that's kind of under 45,000, then obviously I'm going for that. Like, you know what I mean? If I get something cheaper, that'd be good. Another option is I buy a second vehicle and keep this here on the channel, and then create content on it when it's nice out, and have a second vehicle, either a older truck for like 10 or 15,000, maybe like a 2006 Silverado, again 6-inch lift probably, and some like 35s on it, and just kind of do stuff like that with it, and have that older vehicle to kind of do whatever I want to, maybe DIY everything, and that would be super cheap. Just buy it cash or whatever, and it wouldn't be a big deal. On that same note, I could also do like a Jeep Wrangler, like a 2-door, a 4-door, something like that used. That would be good for the winter, get me through the winter, and we'll see what's gonna happen. I don't know. I'm gonna look around a little bit more, but I wanted to put this out there for you guys and have you guys let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think, if you guys have any suggestions of things that I should look at or things that I might enjoy. But I'll definitely have some test drive videos coming soon, because I want to check out some stuff. It's gonna suck for my credit. I'm sorry, bro. It's gonna get tanked, but I'm definitely gonna probably look into some other options here shortly, especially if I can get that 49,000 trade-in or higher. Then that'll be like pretty worth it to me, I guess. You know, basically rented it for a few months and made a profit. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that like button down below. Help the YouTube algorithm, help this video out to more people, and of course help the channel grow. On that same note, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. They just kind of go live whenever I have time and whatever. Now it's kind of weird with this car. Again, I don't have the exciting drive to do all kinds of crazy videos. I'm not doing anything to my car right now. I literally haven't done a mod to it since I wrapped it, so it's just sitting. It kind of sucks, but thanks for watching, guys. Peace. I got 24 hours in